Today, it's all about the seasoning and the sauces. We're gonna take chicken thighs, we're gonna marinate it with Asian-inspired flavors. Make sure you guys stay tuned and see my take on it. So before we get started, I want to throw something at you guys, especially at my brother sitting over there like a director behind the chair. I'm going to get you a chair that has your name in the back.
Please.
Why did the chicken cross the road? No, sorry. What do you call a chicken crossing a road?
Roadkill?
No. No, it's poultry in motion.
Oh.
That was a good one, huh?
That was good.
Yeah. All right. Enough of the BS, bro. Let's do it. Okay, so we're going to start with the marinade. We're going to go ahead and slice this up and slice them into little juliennes. We're going to use that in the marinade. And we're just going to set this aside. Get a bowl. For this, we're going to be using some regular soy sauce. Sorry, this is the dark one. This is the regular one. We're going to put about a quarter, couple of teaspoons of dark soy sauce. We're going to add honey. We're going to add some honey. I should have started this earlier. Come on. You can. Oh, here we go. I hope it doesn't make that farting noise. There you go. All right, so we're going to go about full hard teaspoon of that. Tablespoon. Now to this, we're going to add a little bit of vinegar, regular vinegar, about a teaspoon of that. Full tablespoon of sugar, brown sugar. All right, we're going to give this a light mix. Now, there's something that I saw on one of those TikTok, whatever it is. Now, you'd say you could take the garlic, cut the actual root out, and they say that you can peel the whole thing by shaking it. So let's see if it works. I'm actually going to do this on here, and I hope I don't look like a fool. Okay, we're going to open all this up just like that. Supposedly, when I shake this, the whole thing's going to get peeled. Bear with me, this is gonna look really bad. Ready?
I'm ready.
Dude, no way.
No.
It worked. Look at that. The whole thing got peeled. You know, I remember moms would sit there for hours, one by one, one by one. Mom, look. Found you easier way now. Put on some good music. Put a bunch of garlic cloves in a big bowl and just start shaking. It's good cardio. It is, because I got my heart racing. So you saw the magic with the garlic. We're going to go ahead and obviously add garlic. And I'm going to add a lot of garlic.
What tool are you using?
What
is that called?
Such an asshole, bro. Garlic press. Not funny. That's about, what did I put? Shoot, I forgot. About 3 or 4 in that one. We're going to add another 2. So say about 5 or 6 garlic cloves. We'll give this a little mix. See the flavors. Oh, yeah. So what I have here for this recipe is 3 chicken thighs. These have the bone in already. Once in a while I'll get lucky, I'll find it deboned already, but unfortunately, this time it's bone in. All right, so there you go. We have 3 of them deboned, nice and clean, and we're gonna go ahead and lightly season this. Even though the soy sauce does have a lot of salt in there, I'm just gonna give it a little bit more. A little bit of black pepper, well, maybe a lot of black pepper. Do the other side as well. All right, now we're gonna take these, throw them into a glass bowl just like that. All right, let's go ahead and dump all of this in. And we're also gonna dump the onions. Give it a little mix. Oh, dude, really? Did you see that? I'm gonna go ahead and give this a mix just like that. Let all the actual sauce and the seasoning get inside, let it penetrate, and we're gonna let this sit covered in the refrigerator, minimum 30 minutes. If you go longer, you're gonna get a lot more flavor. All right, so we're just over 30 minutes on the marinade. Let's go ahead and take a look. And of course, the chicken's gonna be dark because of the soy sauce. What I'm gonna do is set this aside for now. Go ahead and turn this on. I'm gonna start it on high heat. Never fails. Give it a good coating on the neutral oil. We're gonna wait for this to get hot, and then we're gonna throw it in skin side down, and we're gonna let it sear for about 3 to 5 minutes, just depending on how fast we can get this thing nicely seared. Spin down. Get it nice and seared. Don't touch. Let it be. 3 to 4 minutes. We'll come back and we'll give it another flip. Let's take a peek. And voila. Look at that. Beautiful, baby. Get it on this side. Woo-wee! Oh, yeah. All right, look at that, baby. That's money right there. That is flavor in a pan. And who doesn't love soy sauce? Garlic. Beautiful. All right, we're going to give it another 4 to 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more. We'll take a look at it again. If everything's okay, we're going to go ahead and cover it and let it slowly cook. Be right back. Let's take a look at this again. Beautiful. Now, what I'm gonna do is the marinade that I have left over, we're gonna go ahead and dump this all in. Go ahead and take the lid, close it up, lower it to about medium, let it sit there and cook a little bit. Let those flavors get to know each other a little bit better, and then we'll come back and we'll plate everything. All right, it's been another 8 minutes. Let's go ahead and see. Wow, look at that. Woo-wee. This is ready, my friends. All right, let's go ahead and take this puppy out. Let's go ahead and chop this up.
Look at that beautiful cook.
Beautiful, look at that. That's money right there. That's money, money, money. All right, this is chopped up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it and use this as my plate, okay? So take this like that. Go ahead and put that there. Now with this, take a little bit of green onion. Beautiful. Now the rice that I have from yesterday, you can pair that with that, and voila, there you go.
Looks amazing.
Looks amazing. Final little thing, the juices that you have right here, that right there is money. That's money, guys. Flavor money right there. Look at that. Well, there you go, guys. Nice, juicy chicken thighs with Asian flavors. Make sure you guys give it a try. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share the videos, and until next time, don't forget to hit that bell for the notifications on the next one. Till next time, thank you guys so much. Oh, I forgot one thing. Welcome back, folks. Today we're making a wonderful chicken. It's recording. And about the actual flavors. Today it's all about the flavors. Asian inspired chicken. My heart's going 100 miles an hour, bro. My mouth too, but I just I can't say anything. Wow, that really works. Today it's all about the flavors. We're doing Asian inspired. Today we're making a chicken dish with. I'm tired already. Some soy sauce, some garlic. We're mixing it up with some. I'm gonna slice this up, the purple onion up. Sorry, red onion. Red onion or purple onion? We're gonna go ahead and start deboning the actual. we're gonna go ahead and start demoting. Well, there you have it, friends. Everything's done. Chicken, Asian. Oh. So what I have. Hello. Is it me you're looking for?